My passion when it comes to markets is we have to be quite general. We look at a lot of different companies. So it's not one sector of the market or one type of company. It's watching a company go through the whole iteration from basically birth to becoming one of the bigger companies in our economy. The Australian economy is quite small. So I love watching a company that where we meet management, they've got a proven product or service, and then they use the public markets to execute on their vision over the next 3, 4, 5, 10 years. And as an investor, you can be part of that. Initially through IPO or on the secondary market, you go through the stage of the growth life cycle where they then start making acquisitions and potentially move offshore. That's what I love. I love finding that next one of those, and before the rest of the market, hopefully, and then watching it grow and growing with it and providing some of the capital for it to grow, over the course of the next few years. The Afterpay story has been an amazing success in Australia. We were there in the IPO. We met management when they were road showing before the IPO. What stood out first and foremost was the quality of management. Nick Molnar, the CEO, and Anthony Ison, the chairman, together brought different skill sets to the table. But as a combination, it was very clear they, one, had a product that made sense because it benefited everyone in the cycle of the product, which I'll explain in a minute, but two, had a clear strategy of where they think they could take that. The product made sense to me. So my daughter, for example, Afterpay, I told my daughter about it and my wife about it. It hadn't really been commercially proven that much at this stage, and I watched their eyes light up. Now that's the best research you can do, because millennials are the target market, and my wife quite likes shopping. So if you can look at someone in the eye and say, here's a new concept that I think is going to do well, and they get excited about the whole thought of it, it's always a good sign. And then management had the ability to execute. It's an incredible business. So we took some at the IPO when it was a very, very small business in the sense of its traction commercially, and we watched it grow. And as we built our confidence in it and our conviction in it, we obviously increased our stake in the business as well.